Hello again. Let's learn math together. Okay, ang topic natin ay common ratio. Ano nga bang common ratio? Ito ay mga ratios na magkakapare-pareho or equal ratios. Okay? So dito, we're going to find the common ratio of the following sequence. So in letter A, we're going to find the common ratio of these numbers in a sequence. So pwede natin gawin ang ratio natin, let's say R, is equal to the first number over the second number. Okay? That's our ratio. Alright? So, paano natin siya gagawin? Gagawin natin ito. First over second. So, that's 1 over 2. Okay? First over second, 1 over 2. Next ay, ang first natin ay 2 over the second, which is 4. Okay, next ay, ang first natin ay 4 at ang second natin ay 8. Next ratio, ang first natin ay 8 at ang second natin ay 16. So pag tinignan natin yung mga ratios, iba-iba ang mga ratios na to. Diba? So hindi pa sila common. Pero, paano natin gagawin tong common? Ang gagawin natin ay isi-simplify natin yung mga values ng ratios na to. So, ang 1/2, hindi na siya pwede ma-simplify kasi simplified na siya. Diba? Okay, oh. Wait, let me go back to the given problem. Ayan. So, ulitin ko. Ang 1/2 ay hindi na pwedeng ma-simplify kasi simplified na siya. Wala na tayong ma-divide dyan. Ang 2/4, pwede natin i-divide both numerator and denominator by 2. So this becomes 1 over 2. Ang 4/8 naman, pwede natin i-divide by 4, both numerator and denominator. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. Next, ang 8 over 60 naman ay may common na 8. So pwede natin i-divide yung numerator ng 8. So 8 divided by 8 is 1. At ang denominator naman ay pwedeng i-divide by 8. So 16 divided by 8 is 2. Now, kung titingnan na natin, ang mga ratios na to ay equal. Kasi lahat sila ay equal sa 1/2. Okay? That's why, ang common ratio natin, common ratio ng sequence na to sa letter A ay equal sa, ratio, not ration. Ratio is equal to 1 over 2. Okay? So, ito yung common ratio ng letter A. Now, sundin natin, or sunod na problem natin ay letter B. So, kunin natin yung common ratio nito. Gagawin din natin kung anong ginawa natin sa letter A. Again, pwede natin gawin na 6 over 2, or second number over the first, or first number over the second. Depende kung anong pwede mong gawin. Basta, kung anong ginawa mo sa una, yun din ang gawin mo sa susunod na numbers nila. So, ito ay magiging 2. Let's say, unahin natin yung una. So, 2 over 6. This becomes 2 over 6. And this one, 6 over 18. And this one is 18 over 54. Again, these ratios are of different expressions, kaya hindi pa natin masasabi kung common ratio ba sila o hindi. So ang gagawin natin ngayon, we're going to simplify to check if they have equal values. Okay? So let's start from the first ratio. Ang first ratio ay 2 over 6. Both numerator and denominator are divisible by 2 because both of them are even. So we can divide this numerator and denominator by 2. So that's 2 divided by 2, it's 1. And 6 divided by 2, that's 3. Diba? Okay, next, 6 over 18. 6 and 18 are divisible both by 6. So we can divide both numerator and denominator by 6. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. 18 divided by 6 is 3. At tingnan natin yung 18 over 54. 18 ay divisible by 18, 54 naman ay divisible by 18. So we can divide both numerator and denominator by 18. So 18 divided by 18 is 1, and 54 divided by 18 is 3. Now, kung titingnan natin, their ratios are, simplified ratios are equal. That's why we could say that the given sequence of numbers in letter B have equal ratios or common ratio, which is equal to 1/3. Common ratio. Okay? So, ganyan ang pagkuha ng common ratio. Now, question, sir, what if we're going to use a different way? We're going to start from the second over the first. Okay, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin kung common pa rin yung ratios nila. So, we will be using a different method to find the ratio. Alright, so let's use blue or green. Okay, and let's erase this. Okay, so we will start from 2, from 6 to 2. So that's 6 over 2. Ito naman, that's 18 over 6. Ito naman ay 54 over 18. So, pag titingnan natin, iba-iba yung mga ratios nila. Pero hindi pa sila simplified. So, kailangan natin i-simplify. So, pag simplify natin to, magiging itong 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3, or 3 over 1. Okay? Ito naman, 18 over 6 is 3 over 1. Ito naman, 54 divided by 18 is 3 over 1. Now, 3 over 1 is equal to 3 over 1 is equal to 3 over 1, or this is just equal to 3. Since pare-pareho sila, we can say that they are, or these numbers have common ratio of equal to, common ratio of equal to 3 as the common ratio. Okay? So, ganyan yung pagkuha ng common ratio. Alright? So, pwedeng unahin yung first as the numerator, and the second will be the denominator, or vice versa. And you will still get the common ratio if there are common ratios. Alright? Now, let's move on to the next. Let's try this. Find the common ratio of the following sequence. Okay, here we go. Letter C. So, paano natin kukunin yung common ratio nito? So, let's start from here. Oops. Ayan. So, paano natin kukunin yung common ratio nito? So, let's start here. So, 64, sorry. Let's start from the second. Second muna tayo. So, second, divide by the first. So, 32 over 64. And here, 16 over 32. And here, 8 over 16. And here, 4 over 8. So again, hindi pa sila equal. So we need to simplify if masisimplify sila. So here, 32 divided by 64, that's 1 over 2. 16 over 32, that's 1 over 2. Why 1 over 2? Because we can divide this by 16. 16 divided by 16 is 1, and 32 divided by 16 is 2. 8 over 16 is 1 over 2, or 1/2. and 4 8 is equal to 1/2 as well. And look at this, they're all equal. That's why 1/2 is our common ratio, or our CR, common ratio. Okay? But then again, you could also start from 64. So let's try the other way around. Let's see if they will still have the same value. So 64, 32, that's 64 over 32. Ito naman, 32 over 16. Ito naman, 16 over 8. And next is 8 over 4. Again, they're not yet equal, so let's simplify. So 64 divided by 32, that's 2. And 32 divided by 16 is 2. 16 divided by 8 is 2. And 84 divided by 2 is 2. And all of them have equal values of ratios. So which is equal to 2. So our common ratio here would be 2. Kung baliktad yung arrange natin ng numbers. Okay? So either answer is correct. All right? Now look at this. Look at the blue ratio, common ratio, and the red common ratio. Now they're just inverses, right? The inverse of 1/2 is 2, and the inverse of 2 is 1/2. All right? So you can use this first ratio to get the other value of the ratio. Okay? So in letter D, let's use blue here, and let's use this. So let's start from the second. Okay, let's start from the second. So we have 18 over 54. And here we have 9 over 18. And here, that's 3 over 9. So pag tinignan natin, hindi sila equal, pero pwede natin silang i-simplify. So pwede natin itong i-simplify by dividing by 18 both numerator and denominator, and this becomes 1/3. Ito rin naman, okay, this is 1/3, 1/2. Ito naman ay 1/3. Tama, di ba? Okay. So, now, tingnan natin. Pag sinimplify natin to, 1/3, sorry, nasimplify na natin sila. And let's compare the ratios. 1/3 is not equal to 1/2. And 1/2 is not equal to 1/3. Since the ratios are not equal or not common, sorry, not equal, therefore, there is no common ratio. From the name itself, common, dapat may pare-parehong ratio sila. Since letter D wala naman na common, may common na dalawa pero dapat lahat, therefore wala siyang common ratio. Okay? Now, question, what if baliktarin natin yung assignment natin? So let's start from 18 to 54. So this becomes, ano ba? This becomes 18 or 54 over 18. Okay, unahin natin yung nauna. Next, we have 18 over 9. Next, we have 9 over 3. And look at them. They're not yet simplified and they're not equal, right? So let's simplify. Both numbers are divisible by 18, so this becomes 3 over 1. This one, they're both divisible by 9, so this becomes 2 over 1. Ito naman ay divisible by 3, so this is 3 over 1. So if we're going to compare, 3 is not equal to 2, and 2 is not equal to 3. So therefore, they're not equal. They're all not equal. So there is no common ratio in letter D.